Hello CraftDee family, and welcome to another video by She's So CraftDee. It's shopping Sunday and we are headed out to our favorite store, the Dollar Tree, to see what goodies have arrived on the truck this week. Now I love sharing all the new finds with you guys so you know what to look out for on your next shopping trip. So let's dive in. I'm starting off in all of the new spring items, and look what I spotted here. They have new garland pieces. Now these are in the spring fling collection. These are little stuffed tulips, as you can see. Now these are all strung together, but they definitely can be taken apart for crafts. Now another great find is this. This is also another floral and leaves banner garland. Now these are made of felt, which means they can be definitely used in crafts. Now the great thing about these is this is 9 feet of garland, so many possibilities with that. Another item that has returned this year is the little plasticware in the spring fling collection. Now these are a generous pack of 12 pieces that come with the beautiful colors of the handles. They do have more. Keep on the lookout for these, but these are actually great enough to wash and reuse even if you wanted to. Another item in this collection are these plates. Now these have the little scalloped edge, which is really cute. And they do have them in all of the matching colors in this collection, like the lavender, the coral. They do have like a light green and also a really pretty blue. So these are really pretty for spring gatherings. Now, if you didn't grab those coasters last year, they are back this year and they do have multiple colors. Now today, my Dollar Tree only had the pink and the lavender color, but they do have blue and yellow. So be on the lookout for those. These felt flowers are really cute. Now these are a large size. They do have a darker color trim around them, and these can be used for a number of crafts, even place settings. You could even use them as the placemats on a table setting. Really pretty item. They also have them in the shape of a butterfly, so you could choose from the flower or the butterfly shape for your crafts or decor this year. If you love the little boxes that they have a butterfly shaped box for the spring that just got put out. I think that these are so adorable, not just for spring, but Mother's Day is coming up. And if your mom loves butterflies, this butterfly shaped box would be so cute. They also have them in regular shaped block boxes, and they have a little ribbon tied on handle on these, which is really nice. I saw 4 different styles of these at my Dollar Tree. Now here's another spring item that's really popular, and it was out last year. These are the metal decor pieces. Solid metal. They have butterflies. There's a really cute snail. They even have little mushrooms. They have bees and insects and birds. They had a bunch of a variety of these that you could use, and you can keep these as is. You can give them a rustic look, use them in your decor, floral arrangements, any kind of decor. I just think that these are such a great item for $1.25. Now, if you love the spring flags, they have a bunch of those with the bicycles. They have potted flowers and plants with butterflies. They even have hummingbirds and so much more. And also keep in mind that they do have the metal stakes for all of your flags sold at the Dollar Tree as well. So it's a one-stop shop for both of these items. In the craft section, I had to take a look, and the new fabric has come out. Now, some of these are from last year, but they have been restocked. This is the Bumblebee collection in the burlap prints. They have polka dots, they have sunflowers, honeycombs, bumblebees, all on the natural burlap fabric. Now, if you don't want the burlap, they did have traditional fabric. This is your cotton pieces, and as you can see, it has little cute bumblebees all over. You can get honeycombs, you can get the buffalo black and white check, all kinds, including flowers. So if you love this black, yellow, and white theme, check out the Dollar Tree for these rolls of fabric to make all kinds of crafted goods. This was another item that I spotted at the Dollar Tree. These are pieces of sequin fabric. This is the reversible sequin, so if you rub your hand across, it changes the color or style of it, which is really neat. These are great because if you only need just a small piece of sequin fabric, you can cut out what you need, maybe in a letter initial or anything like that, and you can sew it on or glue it on a project and you will be done. Here's another item that I spotted. I haven't seen these in a couple of years, but these are so great. These are the peel and stick mirror square pieces. Now, each one of these is individual and you can use them to decorate all kinds of different things, but you get this huge sheet of little squares that you could use for your DIYs. Also in the craft section, we have seen these tripods with the tripod that lifts out in the back, but this is the first time I've seen a two-sided A-frame kind of tripod piece in my Dollar Tree. I'm so glad we have two-sided ones. It makes the piece more versatile and you can use it for so many more things. Also, brand new to the Dollar Tree, they have fabric markers. I have never seen these fabric markers. These are made by Prang. These are really great because they are permanent. So you could decorate your shirts, shoes, or any kind of fabric item, and they come in a 6-pack. Over in home decor, look what I spotted. I love these little containers with these little crystal ball-like tops. I just think they're so cute. These have been out before, but they are back in stock in 3 different beautiful colors. Also, these are another one of my favorites. So these are little votive or tea light candle holders. You can get them in a couple of different finishes. I prefer like the gray cement one. And then they have these. Now these are incense stick holders. Now I love these. These also come in 3 different colors of your choosing. Great decor pieces. Now look at these. These frames are probably one of my favorite because look how thick the frame is. You can attach these to one of the Dollar Tree candle holders and make it on a stand, which I've done before, but they just showed back up at my Dollar Tree. Really excited to see these 4x6 frames. Now I did round the corner to see a brand new shipment of more Easter items. Now these signs are really cute, and what's unique about them is that their faces are furry. I've never seen the furry faces on a wood sign. They also have this one as well, and this one's more like a gnome style, so it has the furry beard on the sign. How cute are they? They also have the little truck. So this is the back of the truck. And of course, it's got to have that bunny bottom sticking out of the back. So cute. And then you can get them in pink and blue. More round signs have showed up and I am here for it. Now these are super cute, not only because they are the cute round signs, but look, they have dangling bunnies and a beaded handle. Now they had another style that had the dangling Easter eggs. I love how all of the Easter eggs are different, giving it a little bit of uniqueness. Really cute. And they also have that beaded handle. A third one that I spotted is this blue one, carrots for the Easter holiday or Easter bunny with little carrots across the top. This is another cute one. Now, this is one of those garland signs. So it's wound with this orange garland on the back, but in the middle, it has welcome to our patch. This is the first time I've ever seen this sign sold at the Dollar Tree. And if you love the stuffed standing gnomes, they did have these in the 125 section. These come in a variety of plaids like your green, blue, pink, and they have a purple back here with the cute bunny ears sticking out of there. They are weighted with beads at the bottom so they won't tip over. Great to put on your shelves. Now look at these. These are the yardsticks. Now I featured the bicycle yardsticks a few walkthroughs ago, but this is the first time I'm ever seeing them with a bunny riding the bicycle. So I saw a couple of different styles of these. Definitely grab those for your yard decor. Now, if you haven't seen these beads, you need to be on the close hunt for these. I almost passed those up. These are wood beads in a pastel color, 60 count. This is a large count package for beads for 60, so definitely grab those. And for Easter, they have these lanterns. Now, I did see these a few years back, but they did show back up at my Dollar Tree this year. These are more of the religious and faith-based type of lanterns. They all come with a little battery-operated light at the bottom. Now, I did only see 3 different styles of these, but be on the lookout at your stores for even more. Now, if you're looking for things that are Easter basket stuffers, they had a bunch of those things set out. They have this little body wash here. This is really cute. This is in a crayon shape. I think that would be really, really fun for the kids. They also have these. So if you need makeup sponges, they had this 2-piece set here. It looks like an ice cream cone. So the top looks like a scoop of ice cream that's a sponge, and the bottom is a cone-shaped sponge. And then if you love the gelato style lip balms, they had so many of these in strawberry and watermelon, all kinds of different flavors. So you can grab one or you can grab them all to add to an Easter basket, or just get them for yourself if you want to. Now, I haven't seen these before and I haven't tried them. If any of you have tried this line of the gelato lip balms, let me know down in the comments below. I would love to hear about your experience with these and whether they do live up to all of the hype, because I see people buying these all the time. Now, can you believe it? The Memorial Day, 4th of July holiday things are coming out. They have this metal truck with a sign. They also have some yard signs. These look like a flower burst or a 4th of July burst, like a fireworks sign. These actually are metal and they can go outside. They also have these. Now, these are little hanging gnome signs. Now, these are also metal. They have a little dangling bell at the bottom, which is really, really cute. I love this cute little gnome. And then they have this one here that says Home of the Brave. It also has the little bell with little striped hat. So super cute. Now, I featured the Sequin brand shampoo last week, but this week I found some jelly exfoliator. So be on the lookout. These brands are showing up every week at my stores. And while you're exfoliating, look at this. This is like a spa headband. It's so super soft and stretchy, and it has these cute little furry balls on there, but these are great to hold your hair out of your face while you're doing your facial routines. Now, also in the shower, you can grab one of these. These are ice cream shaped loofahs. So the loofah top part is like a loofah type sponge, and then the bottom is fabric where the cone is. I've never seen these at my Dollar Tree. I just think that they are just so super cute. Here's another item I've never seen. I've never seen the spray bottle in this shape at the Dollar Tree. So this was a unique find. I also noticed that it's in the color of the new spring line of storage containers that I featured in last week's walkthrough. So now they can all match. Now, we've all seen these baskets in gold and black. They're useful for so many things, but look, now they have them in the colors of the new spring storage box collection, and I am here for it. So you can get the flat little tray basket, or you can get this one, this little small square type basket in that coral color. If you're a fan of that really pretty blue color, they do have the flat and the square in that. If you want more of a mint green, they've got you covered. They do have that in the flat basket and the square basket. So be on the lookout for that. And of course, I love gray. So I was happy to see that they had the flat basket in gray and they had it in square. So be on the lookout for this entire collection at your stores. This basket, collapsible basket, has been around for so long. This is the Dollar Tree one, $125. They had it in 2 different styles, but I noticed today they had a black and white one. I've never seen it in black and white. So check it out. You can get this now in a black and white little square design. I love it. A new item popped up at Dollar Tree, and check it out. This is a 100% waterproof container case. With the summer months coming up, poolside or beachside, this is a waterproof floating case that you can use for all of your expensive electronic devices like your cell phones or small cameras or things like that. Definitely grab one to put into the beach bag. In the food section, these have returned. I love these things. I don't know if it's just a Southern thing or if it's at every Dollar Tree. These are $125, but they are like ham slices. So they have here the biscuit slices. I love that these are 100% shelf stable and they have a long shelf life. I believe these go out to October of this year. Now they have the biscuit slices, and then here they have the ham trimmings. I can throw these in my pantry, not worried about refrigeration. I love to use these in like green beans and red beans. It's so much fun. So now we're going to walk over to the plus section to see what they have, and what spotted my eye was this. Okay, I was really excited to find this. This is a metal bird bath on a stand. So you can put bird feed or use it for a bird bath for only $5. They did have it in that pretty blue, and then they have this ombre blue and pink. So really pretty. This is probably one of my favorites today. This is like one of those wind spinners. It's 2 layers. I love this rustic copper and black design of this. I think this is so gorgeous, and it is a nice, good size and stands 30 inches tall. They also have a different style. This is a double layered flower, and again, that centerpiece does spin. I just love this. So pretty, and these colors are really, really bright and colorful. If you are a sunflower fan, they did have you covered. Look at this one. So this one is also a spinner. Now, all of these are only $5 and they're solid metal. And of course, the big planters are back. I am here for it. These are the self-watering planters, which takes a lot of stress off of you if you're like me and forget to water your plants on occasion. They are a very generous size for $5 and they come in multiple colors. Check out these bird houses. They just put these on the shelf this week. So all of these bird houses feature this tin metal corrugated roof. They are $5, but look at all the beautiful designs. They look very springy and bright. They had 4 different styles. I have one on my porch hanging underneath my eaves on my porch. I love it. So bright and colorful. This was another item that spotted my eye. These string lights. Now, these string lights are 75 feet long. I'm sorry, not 75. It has 75 lights, but 25 feet long. And you know what? These work on 3 AA batteries. How cool is that? Okay, another item. Check this out. I featured some of these socks last week, but this week we got the Hasbro brand in. We didn't have these in my last week's walkthrough. So these feature our classic lovable games like Monopoly and Sorry, Scrabble, Operation, and Twister. All those nostalgic games that we all know and love. And of course, you get all 6 pair for only $5. Only comes out to 80 cents and change after you buy the entire pack. And these are one of my favorites. I had to feature these Plush Throws. They just put these out. I love these designs. Not necessarily winter, not necessarily totally spring, but great to just throw across a couch or anything. Make sure you check those out when you go. Now, if you missed my shopping video last week featuring tons of everyday and more spring finds at the Dollar Tree, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today. And if you want to see the items I created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you can check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now, I do wish you all a very happy Valentine's Day. Now listen, if you love shopping at Dollar Tree as much as I do, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know your most exciting find at Dollar Tree this week. Make sure you don't miss a video by subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when we go live. It doesn't cost a thing. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.